How did you first learn about Nova Transition?
I learned about it when I was in year 12 at school, and I liked coming here 3 days a week. Like, the job coaches are fantastic. We just had a new job coach start 2 weeks ago.
What made you want to do it?
Their hours, I can get help in doing hospitality and the different jobs I can do.
How long have you been coming to Transition?
A year and a half now.
So are you starting to think about what you'd like to do when you leave?
Yeah.
So what are some of your goals?
I like to do hospitality or animal care.
What are some of the work experience things that you've done?
I done Pizza Hut last year, Happy Clown last year.
What's Happy Clown?
It's like childcare, and I did JP Mortgage down the road.
Was that admin or?
Admin stuff, and then I did Sizzlers Fridays every Friday for 8 weeks.
At the moment, that's what you're doing.
Right now,
What is it about work experience that you find useful?
you can meet new members of the team. You can work as a team in the kitchen.
Did it help you work out what you'd like to be when you leave?
Yeah,
How does it help you work that out?
we have ECs, and
Employment consultants, yeah?
so the ECs look into what we did over a year and a half now. They're trying to get us into work, and they're trying to look for work experience.
Through those different work experiences, you get to work out what you liked, what you didn't like, what you were good at, what you weren't that good at. From there, you sort of start to work out, well, this is what I might do. And so you thought hospitality might be a good thing, or maybe animal care.
Yeah.
But you haven't done any work experience in animal care yet?
No.
Do you plan to in the next few months?
Yeah.
What do you like best about the transition program?
It's funny, we can find some time. We do shopping once every week.
So you do more than prepare for getting a job. What
The
are you learning?
budgeting, we'll always make sure we get a receipt for everything.
You know where your money's going. And I noticed earlier that you're doing meal planning.
We'll learn how to do meal, what's Sunday to the week after.
And do you think about balanced diets and all that kind of thing?
Yeah.
And then that feeds into the budget as well. Is there anything that you don't much like about transition?
I just love it. There's new trainees coming in. There's old trainees who's finished at the end of the year and might have a job at the end of the year.
And do they inspire you? Have you had people who've been in the transition program and have left because they got a job?
Yeah, we have one of my friends, she's doing a animal care 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
How many people have you got here?
22, 23. We are the biggest program in New South Wales, and the biggest company ever.
Yeah.
And then at the end of the year, we get the gala day at Ridleyfield Novotel.
You're looking forward to that?
Last year, I had my hair cut, and no one really recognised me.
And you dressed up?
Yeah, I wore my purple dress. My mum drove me over there, and I meet everyone over there. Everyone else just catch a bus over there.
What sort of skills and experience and attitude will it take for you to get a job? What do you need?
Confident, being there early,
Getting there on time.
don't be late.
So being aware of what the boss's requirements of you are. And that's not just punctuality, that's also about how to behave, how to speak to people, jobs you need to do. You've learned a lot of that stuff through work experience. And if you bumped into someone and they asked you what you're doing, and you said, I'm at Nova Transition, and they said, oh, what's that like? What would you say to them?
Friendly environment. There's people coming in to work every day. There's appointments going on. So we have to be quiet, learn what's the difference between school and here.
What is the difference?
School, you have to have 2 breaks. Teachers are harassing you, but the job coaches aren't harassing you. They tell you what to do. The job coaches telling us to be more quiet, more specific, and the teachers at school are worse. You can get in trouble, you can have detention.
What else might you tell them?
You get more hours up in work experience. There's different days you can come. There's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday group, or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday group. And you can have 4 days off, and the other 3 days you're on.
And do you look forward to coming?
Yes.
Yeah.
I love it coming here every day, see my friends and see the job coaches.
You said earlier that to get a job you could have more confidence, but you seem pretty confident already. I imagine that you've grown in confidence quite a bit in the last year and a half. What are you most proud of that you've developed over that time?
Meeting more friends. I was shy at the start of the year last year, so shy, and now I'm all happy and smile.